Hi, I'm Lucas Cuni-Mertz, Associate Editor of Baking and Snack Magazine, and this is a Baking and Snack Tech Expert. In our August issue, we spoke with Peter Abrams, bakery specialist at Lesaffre, about all the functionality that enzymes can bring to baked goods. Today, he'll share more about how enzymes can enhance product quality while serving as a clean label alternative to emulsifiers. Thanks for joining me today, Peter.
Hi, Lucas. Thanks for having me.
So, for some background, what role do emulsifiers play in baked goods, and what challenges and potential clean label concerns can they provide?
Emulsifiers play a big role in helping to incorporate air cells and prevent the migration and movement of those cells into larger cells. This helps to maintain a more consistent sized cell and reduce the rise of larger holes. In addition, emulsifiers help to provide a soft and tender texture within the bakery application. They also provide secondary structural support to the gluten and added fat in the system. Emulsifiers act to lower the surface tension between different phases, which allows for fat, water, and air to be blended and incorporated together to prevent separation in the system. Also, emulsifiers increase the volume of the final product. Some of the challenges with current emulsifiers are related to consumer acceptance, as their nomenclature can be a little bit confusing for some people. Also, during COVID, there were supply chain issues that made it really difficult to source some of these common ingredients.
And so, how do enzymes serve as an alternative to these emulsifiers, and what functionality can they offer to baked goods?
Enzymes can definitely be a good replacement for emulsifiers. Um, you can have single enzymes or blends of enzymes, which contain a variety of them to provide strength, tolerance, and allow for air cell incorporation into the dough. Other options include blends that contain structural ingredients, including gums, cereal starches, and vital wheat gluten. These ingredients are often seen as label friendly alternatives to common emulsifiers, and they're more recognizable by a lot of consumers. For those consumers who are interested in ingredient statements and are already reading labels, having ingredients that are familiar and easy to understand is really important.
And so, what enzyme based solutions does Lesaffre offer, and what benefits can they provide?
Lesaffre provides a range of enzyme based solutions for replacing conventional emulsifiers. Some of these include our STR601, STR701R, STR801, and then we have complete improvers like volume 5.1, 6.1. In addition to that, Lesaffre offers a range of anti staling enzyme blends to help extend shelf life, whether a consumer is looking to extend the bread's softness for a short time, like 1 to 5 days, all the way up to 30 days and more.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Peter, for joining me today on this Baking and Snack Tech Expert.